If you've been looking for a gentle, simple facial cleanser DIY, this is it. This mild, creamy face wash stars soothing aloe vera juice and fragrant lavender. And if you can make a lotion, you can make this. I've been formulating skincare for over a decade, and I keep coming back to this type of cleanser because they are so versatile and just fabulous for sensitive or dry skin. We'll start by weighing out the ingredients for the heated water phase. You'll need 114.72 grams distilled water. For some skin-soothing loveliness, weigh out 48 grams aloe vera juice. To boost moisturizing goodness, you'll need 36 grams vegetable glycerin. To help thicken and stabilize the emulsion, weigh out 1.2 grams soft or clear xanthan gum. And for some gentle cleansing, 9.6 grams Cocamidopropyl Betaine. Up next, the heated oil phase. You'll need 7.2 grams medium chain triglycerides or fractionated coconut oil for some richness. For even more emollient goodness and creaminess, weigh out 12 grams cetearyl alcohol. I know the word alcohol can set off some skincare alarm bells, but don't worry. Cetearyl alcohol isn't that kind of alcohol. I'm sure you can see it looks nothing like rubbing alcohol. Cetearyl alcohol is not drying or irritating. It's actually moisturizing and all around lovely. And to emulsify everything together, you'll need 7.2 grams Emulsifying Wax NF. Now, don't worry about writing all of this down. You can always find the written versions of my formulations in the free partner blog post, along with links to places to purchase all the ingredients. That's linked in the description box below. Now that we've got our heated phase ingredients all weighed out, it's time to get to the heating part. Begin by stirring the xanthan gum and glycerin together in a beaker or heat-resistant glass measuring cup, and then add the water, aloe vera juice, and Cocamidopropyl Betaine. Combine the heated oil phase ingredients in a second beaker or heat-resistant glass measuring cup. Weigh the water phase and write that weight down for later. This is so we can replace the water that will evaporate during heating. Place both beakers in a water bath on your stovetop over medium-low heat or on a lab hot plate set to low, and cover the water phase. I find it takes 40 to 60 minutes for a batch this size to get nice and toasty. You'll know you're ready to emulsify when everything in the oil phase has fully melted and the water phase is hot enough to prevent the oils from re-solidifying when you combine the phases. Lots of condensation on the lid of your water phase is a good sign it's nice and hot. Begin by weighing the water phase and then add a couple drops of distilled water to bring that weight back up to the number we wrote down earlier. Pour the water phase into the oil phase. Stir to combine and then grab your immersion blender. Blend for 30 to 60 seconds. You'll quickly see the mixture turn white and creamy as it emulsifies, and then switch to hand stirring. Stir gently and consistently as the emulsion cools. Once it has noticeably thickened, you can set it aside and weigh out the cool down phase, which is nice and simple with just 2 ingredients. Grab a small bowl or beaker and start by weighing out 0.48 grams lavender essential oil or a lavendery fragrance oil. I am using Stock Fragrance's plant-based Provençal. And lastly, to preserve the cleanser, you'll need 3.6 grams Optiphen Plus. If you don't have Optiphen Plus, there are plenty of alternatives, so please read the free partner blog post to learn more. Pour some of the cream cleanser into the dish with the cool down phase and whisk to combine. You'll notice the mixture thins out a little. That is okay. Once that's uniform, scrape it back into the main batch and stir everything together. And now all that's left is packaging it up. You could package this cream cleanser in a pump top bottle, but I'm going to use 4 little 60 milliliter squeeze bottles instead. To use, mix a squirt of the cleanser with a bit of warm water between your palms. Massage into your face, and then rinse or wipe off with a damp cloth. Follow up with your favorite face cream or lotion. Might I recommend this one? It's easy to make, all natural, and smells fabulous. Thank you so much for watching, and happy making. Bye!